Hey everybody, this is Dusty, Nervous Specialist. So today I'm looking at a Winnebago Itasca, and Oso's in the middle of replacing a Schwintek. And so something I wanted to bring to your attention real quick is do not lubricate these tracks. There is a special procedure to lubricate the system. Does not include lubricating these tracks. So as you can see all the damage here and all the stuff that got on them, you do not lubricate inside this rail. So you can see all the lubricant that got sprayed inside there and it basically frosted itself to the rail. You can also see where screws broke loose right here and how it even was, pulling loose the sills and whatnot. Now you can lubricate this top edge and these sides, and Oso's got something here for me. What you got? And he's sick today, so he's wearing a mask, so it's not COVID.
See, when they lubricate all these gear rack section,
yeah,
they make it worse because it's a skipping part instead of having a good
skipping
grip.
and dragging. Let me zoom in on that a little bit. Oh yeah, so it damaged that, and then also damaged, I can see the damage to the gears. And then it also damaged the actual motor gear itself too.
Yeah, the bottom wheel, they're supposed to keep this in place.
Yeah.
It's gone.
For the V, oh, so it actually chewed up the V-roller too? That's nice. I'm gonna go over here and show you the other side. So he's replacing this system, and so if you haven't seen our videos prior, or if you're having problems with your Schwintek, we get a lot of people that come in that have damaged them, either by incorrectly using them, by not syncing them, not sealing them, not performing maintenance on them correctly, and just wear and tear. So if you have a Winnebago or any other brand of coach and you're looking for some slide out repair, come in and see us. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll get back to you later. We'll probably do a post or another video on this as we get it completed. This was just me popping out here in the shop, checking on the guys, doing a quick little update video. So he's in the middle of replacing the rear side. Then he'll get over here and replace the forward side of it. And then he'll go back and retest the operation after he gets it all resynced up and all that. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, and thanks so much for watching.